Dear brothers and sisters, you just heard in the gospel reading, you love to the reserved seats. The scribes, they were the secretaries of law. Eventually, they became a group called themselves Pharisees. And they wanted all the facilities. They wanted the remain reserved seats. They wanted everyone to salute them in the common places. But they oppressed the people by making laws which did not come from God, no origin from God. Laws which had no significance for religious life and burdened the people's life by making them follow them. And so religion became an oppression. And so that reminds me of a man who had a strange dream. An angel took him to a Sunday worship service, and the organist played. The keys went up and down, but there was no music. The choir sang, their mouths opened and closed, but no song came from their mouths. The congregation prayed, their lips moved, but no prayer could be heard. The man turned to the angel and said, "The lips moved, the choir sang, the congregation prayed, but nothing could be heard. Why didn't we hear anything?" The angel replied, "Because there is nothing to hear. There's lots of activity, but no real worship." The same people who came and attended the ritual, and they went back home, they were different people, evil working through them. Some of them avoided their duty to their parents, to their neighbors. They would pay tithes, spices and herbs, which is nothing to what the care they had to take of their elders, parents who took care of them when they were from young to big age. So such was their cowardice and negligence. They were selfish, they were proud. So Jesus calls them empty sepulchres, empty tombs on which people walk about. How much do we put in our worship? How much heart do we put into our worship? Do we mean when we come here, we thank God, we plead God to give us the grace? Do we really mean it? Lord, help us to worship you not only with our lips, but also with our lives. Not only with our heads, but also with our hearts.